Good evening and welcome to tonight's debate. There will be new questions for the candidates. Except for Ron Paul, who will be asking the same old shit again and again. So gentlemen, I have questions for you. Romney, can you beat Newt to the nomination? Newt, please slog it out with Romney on this issue all night. Santorum, try your best to get in.
No questions for me? I hardly think that is fair.
My record is pretty darn good. Yes, I enrich and ignore disabled people sometimes. But come on. Pretty darn good record if you don't check the facts.
I refute the claims of the governor. I may be sleazy, but my God, I know how to cheat on a woman. My record on that is very darn good. Better than this for sure.
I don't know why I bother. Maybe I will just run as an independent.
Aha! So you are going to run independent? And sever ties with the party that has treated you so well and fairly?
God. I knew that was the only way for me to get some time. I just want to talk about the issues. Balance budgets. Get out of all the warmongering. That will help everyone.
Paul is a pussy. If there's one thing mine and its darn good records show, it is that we will fuck Iran up as president.
There you have it, folks. Paul is a pussy and the other two will fuck up Iran with their cheating. Disabled ignoring records. Good night. And don't forget not to vote Ron Paul.